Good afternoon, everyone. I think you have completed your test. Now I am providing solution of that test. This is the 7th class. Seven science, time, (20 minutes), marks 10. A part, fill in the blanks. Number 1. The dash is a special structure in the stomach of the birds that help them grind seeds. The dash is a special structure in the stomach of the birds that help them grind seeds. Answer is gizzards. Second question. Mastication is another word for dash. Answer is chewing. Third, a butterfly uses a tubular structure called a dash to suck nectar from flowers. Answer is proboscis. Fourth, amoeba uses dash to engulf food. Answer is pseudopodia. Fifth, digestion starts in the dash. First of all, digestion starts in the mouth, then small intestine, stomach also. So digestion starts in the mouth. This is known as the physical digestion. B part, name the following. First answer, the part of the tooth that is embedded in the jaw, that is called root. Second question, partially digested food that is brought back to the mouth for chewing a second time, that is known as cut. Third, the upper part of the large intestine. The upper part of the large intestine is called colon. This is the upper part of large intestine. Next, fourth, finger-like projections present on the inner wall of the small intestine. Finger-like projections present on the inner wall of the small intestine, that is known as the villi. villi present in the small intestine. And what is the functions of villi? They increase the surface area for absorption. Next, fifth, the largest chamber of the stomach in ruminants. Answer is rumen. This is the largest chamber in ruminants.